It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Nice warm day to train and do some parkour and shave my head. Wait, what? Where'd my hair go? Oh, that's right. I worked on a show here in Atlanta that I can't tell you about yet, but they had to shave my head for it, so super stoked on that to, you know, have a new look. But also, I'm out here to do some parkour training and test out a new camera from AKASO. They sent me their latest action camera called the Brave 7. Now, this one's a pretty cool one. It also has a front-facing camera on it, so I decided today in my training I'm also going to do some of that selfie stick parkour that you see people doing to see how it looks with this camera. I've never really tried that style before, so I think it'll be fun to test out with this camera. Alright, I'm gonna try a cork holding this behind my back. I really don't know if this is gonna work or if I'll even be able to do the trick with it because the spins are gonna be thrown off by the leverage of the length of the stick, but it'll be fun to try and look really cool if I can pull it off. Didn't work. Alrighty then, I'm gonna say it's a no-go on the cork, but we'll see what else we can do. So now I'm gonna do some tests with the image stabilization on. I probably won't keep it on the whole time because it does crop when you turn the stabilization on, which just generally is going to make it harder to see my whole body when doing this type of stuff, but I'd like to just see how well it works as far as stabilizing the image. Alright, now let's test out the 4K capabilities a little bit, see how that looks. So I may have not been able to get the selfie cork, but we got a drop right here that I think I'll be able to get a full with. Sweet, that one turned out pretty good. I like the way it looked and caught myself in the air pretty well while doing the spin. We'll do one more in slow-mo. Alright, it's been a fun day of exploring what's possible with this camera. To tell you about a couple of its last features is, one, it comes with this open housing, so it's lighter, it's easier to carry in my mouth when I'm doing the mouth mount for POV videos, as well as just being more versatile. You can just pop it out of this little case, and it's already waterproof, so you don't need a completely enclosed case. And then finally, the price point on this camera is awesome. For only $150, you're getting really awesome features. Now, a couple of the downsides I've ran into is that the wide angle capabilities of the camera goes to 170 degrees is what it says in the settings. I was never able to get it quite as wide as I like to film POV videos, but I was still able to make it work for all the footage you saw in here, so it still was capable of doing everything I like to do. I do just like the angle to be a little bit wider than what's capable in this camera. If you want to check out this camera for yourself, be sure to check out a link in the description where you can get a discount on this camera using a code I'll have down there. But otherwise, thanks for watching everyone, and we'll see you next time.